In celebration of the 10th anniversary of the Rashtriya Bal Swasth Karyakram Rbsk program in Meghalaya, a district-level workshop was organized today to enhance awareness and promote coordination among line departments. The workshop, led by resource persons from the Meghalaya Health Systems Strengthening Projects and State Rbsk, focused on improving the Rbsk program with a special emphasis on nutrition and growth. The primary goals of the workshop were to educate participants about Rbsk services, enhance program efficiency, and encourage collaboration among various departments. The event was graced by the presence of West Jaintia Hills Deputy Commissioner B.S. Solia, IAS, who served as the chief guest.
Satisfaction of having, accomplished a day's work. We've thrown in all our hearts and souls and abilities, and most times we have sacrificed our own personal, commitments for the betterment